Okay, this is my lot of alarm clock parts. Okay, just wanted to show. Okay, here is a brand new vintage square convex glass, still in the old pack. Okay, bunch of I don't know, a handful of brand new mainsprings here. These are still in the old packs. Okay, I opened a few. And some dials from baby bends and big bends, old dials. Bunch of backs. Okay, a whole tray of winding keys. Alarm clock keys. Okay. Some sort of O-ring here. I'm not even sure what that's for. This is a dial with a movement still attached. So it's another movement. Okay. It's a big bend. There's a baby bend, partially disassembled. Still does have a movement in there. No idea on the condition of that. Another baby bend. Movement still in it. Okay, no idea whether these work. There's an electric baby bend. No idea whether that works. Bunch of movements here, not sure what they're really for. Not sure if they're complete. There's some crystals here, 2 plastic crystals right here, and these are glass. This one's chipped pretty bad on the edge, right there. Okay, these are glass beveled crystals, not sure what they're for, they're kind of small. This one's scratched pretty bad and chipped. Some cases with bases on them. Okay, some more backs. Here's an odd clock. Spasmodic Waterbury. This is a Waterbury movement here. That may or may not have went to that. I don't know. Here's another big bend case. Okay. Oh, bunch of watch mainsprings here. That go along with it. They are included. For the most part, look to be new in the pack. Okay, well, thank you for looking.